Today I'm going to be reviewing the GAOMON S630 Pen Tablet. This is a new tablet from GAOMON. I'm going to be going over all the specs of this tablet. I'm going to do an unboxing of everything that's in the box, and I'm also going to do a trial drawing with it. I'm going to create a whole artwork with it, including use with a mobile device and with PC. And if you don't know me, I'm Shy Fox, and on my YouTube channel I make digital art tutorials, and if you're somebody who wants to improve your digital art skills, check out my channel, like and subscribe as well while you're here. And let's get into things now. I'm going to show you this on Amazon.ca. I'm going to have the Canadian Amazon as well as the US Amazon in the description. So this is a new release for GAOMON, the S630, and it currently retails for $47.99 Canadian after the coupon, or $32.99 USD with a 20% off coupon on the Amazon.com site. So the first thing I really want to look at is the adorable just aesthetic of this tablet. It's got this just really cute like kind of space monster theme going on here just across the face of the tablet. Now because it's screenless, like there's no screen, it doesn't really matter that there's kind of like an image here. This is a screenless tablet, which in general are going to be your more affordable tablets, and like any other tablet, it's a learning curve. I used a screenless tablet for 5 years myself before upgrading to a screened one. Worth noting that this tablet is compatible with Android devices, Mac, and Windows. This tablet has 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, which is more than enough. AP32 battery-free pen. Battery-free is always like a must-have these days. It's really nice. And 266 PPS, which has to do with the responsiveness of the pen, and that's perfectly fine. The tablet has 4 customizable buttons on the tablet itself, and there's default ones it comes with, but you can customize them and change them. And this tablet works well with games like OS, these kinds of rhythm games. The size of the tablet's really great for portability reasons. It's thin and small enough to fit in probably just like bags like this. You can kind of get a visual of that here. And it is 168 grams for its weight, so it doesn't weigh very much. As for the actual working area for where you draw, it is a 5" by 3.2". I was just looking this over and this is actually incorrect if you just like use logic, because the mobile workspace is 3.18 inches by 1.79 inches. So this is actually supposed to be 5 basically by the 3.18 inches. So anyway, that is the workspace that you have. The sensing height is 10 millimeters, which is the distance of the pen to touching the tablet and being sensed without actually touching. And the pen resolution is 5080 LPI. I'll be honest, I'm not 100% sure what pen resolution in this case means, but it is one of the specs, so just naming it for you. Now there's no need to install any drivers when you're pairing your tablet with a mobile device, so that's really just quick and easy to use. I was using an Android phone with the app IBIS Paint X. So it took me a minute to adjust to drawing in the mobile drawing space, which again is smaller than the workspace that you would have on the tablet for pairing with the computer, but it was just a bit of an adjustment, took a little bit of time, and then I felt like I got the hang of it. Just like with any new tablet, I always say it just takes some time to get used to. One of the things you can do to compensate for having a smaller drawing space is to zoom in on the phone canvas screen space to make more precise lines and things if needed. But the tablet works as expected with a mobile device, and I love the plug-and-play sort of aspect to using with a phone, and once again shows great potential for being a tablet for on-the-go use. Moving on over then to drawing with the S630 on the PC, I had to uninstall my other art tablet drivers and install the tablet drivers from GAOMON. That was no problem. I want to also say that I do really love the cute appearance of the tablet, and the creatures are just cute on it. I like that it's just like a creative look. It kind of makes me feel inspired looking at it, makes me want to draw myself. So I think as a piece of technology, it's inspiring itself. So I just think that was a really smart move to have a really neat and unique looking tablet design. One of the things that worked really well with this tablet is the hover feature of the pen, hovering, you know, just a few millimeters above the tablet itself and being sensed and picked up. I really like that it seemed to be sensitive enough to pick it up and know where my pen was. I definitely did appreciate the size and lightweightedness and portability of this tablet. Definitely smaller than what I'm used to, but was able to adapt to the size just fine, and can always change how the tablet senses the pen in the tablet settings. And going into those settings, I didn't mess with them too much. I just kind of left them and adjusted and felt comfortable drawing with that. Another plus is definitely the battery-free pen. It is ultra convenient. I still kind of use an older tablet otherwise, and it requires charging pens, and it's highly annoying. So definitely always a plus to see battery-free pens. In the end, I really have nothing, you know, bad to say about this tablet. I really enjoyed creating this bear artwork with it, and I felt like I was actually able to do it at a reasonably good pace. Not a ton slower than what I'm used to with a screen tablet. So even though it was screenless, I felt like I was able to draw at a good pace and was able to adjust. And I really appreciate that this tablet too is a more affordable option compared to maybe other ones out there. And at the end of the day, I definitely would recommend it. There will be links in the description to this tablet to purchase on Amazon, both the Canadian and US Amazons. And I think it is overall a great choice for beginners starting out. Well, I do hope you enjoyed the review of this tablet, the GAOMON S630, and like and subscribe if you want to see other videos from me, whether that's digital art tutorials or other sort of unboxing tablet review type videos. Alright then, have a good one. See you later.